In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link a page in a table within Notion, specifically how to link to another page using Notion's relation property. This feature is incredibly useful for creating interconnected databases that allow for seamless navigation and a better organized workspace. So, let's dive right in. First, let's start by heading over to Notion. If you aren't already there, open your web browser or Notion app and navigate to your workspace. Once there, you'll likely be on a home page or a specific project page. But where you want to be is your Notion dashboard, where you can see the different pages and tables that you've been working on. Once you've arrived in your workspace, look for the specific page that contains the table you want to work with. If you're not sure where it is, just use the sidebar to scroll through your available pages and locate it. Click on that page to open it up. This will bring you directly to the table you'll be linking from, and it sets the stage for the next steps. Now that you have your table in front of you, it's time to set up the link. Look for the option to add a new property. In Notion, properties are essentially columns in your table, and they can have different types such as text, number, date, and what we're interested in today, relation. Click on Add Property to start the process. Within this property menu, you'll see various options. What we want here is the Relation option. So go ahead and click on Relation. This feature allows you to create a link between different pages or databases in Notion, effectively letting you cross-reference and organize your data more efficiently. After clicking on Relation, you'll be prompted to select either a database or a page you want to connect to. Think about the specific page or database that fits this criteria for you. Provide careful consideration to which page will create a meaningful connection to achieve better data integration and organization. Click on the relevant database or page, allowing Notion to make the connection. Once you've selected the page or database, simply click on Add Relation. This finalizes the linking process, creating a seamless link between the table you're working on and the page or database you chose. Now, when you or someone else is working within this table, you'll have a direct pathway to access related information quickly and without hassle. Linking pages in Notion using tables and relations offers a dynamic approach to managing your data, making information retrieval faster and task management more efficient. This capability can transform the way you handle projects, enabling a collaborative and connected workspace. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Thanks for watching, and feel free to leave any questions or comments below.